Hi everyone, welcome to the Microfluidics Innovation Center video tutorial space. This video will show you how to connect a recirculation loop using a square bridge, suitable for use with a pressure-driven flow controller. The pump will push the liquid alternately back and forth from these two reservoirs. The bridge will ensure the flow is always in one direction through the microfluidic chip. Here's a bridge we made earlier. It's made from 4 check valves and 4 T-junctions, and underneath we have an assembly guide. Now let's set one up. Here you have the 4 T-junctions, and here are the check valves. Start building the bridge module by connecting the valves between the T-junctions. Make sure to use the correct orientation of both T-junctions and valves by matching their shape carefully to the schematic on the screen. Pay particular attention to the triangular shape of the valves, which are more pointed on one side and flat on the opposite side. This triangle shape indicates the direction of flow. That's worth remembering. In from the flat side and out from the pointed side. Press firmly the connections tight along all 4 axes, and tighten again until the structure is nice and solid. The bridge should fit well in the notches of the assembly guide if all connections are tight enough. If not, tighten it again to ensure no leaks. Now we will connect the bridge to make a full recirculation loop. First, connect a piece of tubing to liquid reservoir 1 and attach the other end to position 4 of the bridge. This is the top left-hand corner in the orientation shown here. Then, connect liquid reservoir 2 to the bridge at position 2 on the opposite corner. Next, we connect our flow sensor from the sensor inlet to the bridge outlet at position 1. Note that the 2 closest valves point towards this corner. This is always the exit to the bridge, regardless of what reservoir the liquid is coming from. Now the tubing from the flow sensor outlet will go to the microfluidic chip. But to enable the purging of air from the system, we recommend using a union connector for now, not to disturb the cells with the first filling. Then connect the chip outlet, or union for now, back to the bridge at position 3. Note that the 2 closest valves present their flat faces to this corner. Flow will always be directed into the bridge from here. Now you have the bridge loop set up and the system is ready to fill. Tune into our filling video for tips on how to remove all the air from the loop. Thanks for watching.